Tanny on the left, Darren Mulliso on the right. Jerry comes in with a 42.494. 42.494. That moves Jerry back up to 11th spot. Actually, that's no help for him. He slows down just a couple hundredths. Darren, meanwhile, comes in with a 44.224 plus one cone. 44.224 plus one. Looks like there was a plus one on Jerry as well. So Jerry will stay no better than 11th at the moment. He still has one more run this afternoon. Tim Boucher in on the right-hand side with a 43.105. 43.105 on a 693 light. On the left-hand side is Jonathan Ricker. That's also on a 600 light, 657. Scott Mitchell and Chris Hamilton will be our next finishers. Right-hand side will be back first. It is the faster first. Chris is in with 682. 682. I do see some hovering over the cone icon. And there it is. On the left-hand side, Scott Mitchell in with 50.272. He picks up the, no, he does not. He slows down by 2 tenths. By Tom Larson, Lonnie Howell. Lonnie is in first in that C4 Corvette with a 43.921. 43.921 on a 1.3 second reaction time. On the left-hand side, Tom Larson in with 44.903. Tom still stays in 22nd spot. As Willem Sitchdov is on a bye run on the right-hand side. In Cam, what can he run? He is into the finish with a 48.731. He picks up like 3 seconds, or 2.5 seconds rather. So huge pickup for Willem. Very nice to see. All right, David Rock will be our next finisher. He's making moves. He came back up from, he was down at 15th or so, up to 4th spot. He's our next finisher on the left-hand side. Jeff Woodbury on the right. David in with a 42.349. 42.349. That's no help. He slows down by 4 tenths on the right-hand side. Jeff Woodbury in with a 42.972. He also does not pick up time. He slows down by 7 hundredths. So he will stay in 9th place in Cam. Terry Newell on the left, Richard King on the right. Terry with 6:52 reaction time, Richard with a 7:13. Richard back first with a 42.504. 42.504 for Richard King. Terry Newell with a 44.207. So Terry is in 15th place at the moment. Jerry Santani and Darren Mullis are our next finisher. Jerry on the right-hand side. He picks up a lot of time. It's a 41.556. 41.556 for Jerry. He's now just one out of the trophies in 8th spot. Darren Mulliso, unfortunately, DNF run. It's a 41.526 for the DNF. So the Cam S car is coming alive a little bit, breaking into that Cam C party at the top. Tim Boucher on the left, Jonathan Ricker on the right. Jonathan in with a 42.562 plus 1 cones and no help for him. Tim Boucher meanwhile in with a 44. Is Lonnie Howell on the left with a 43.964. He picks up a couple of tenths and is in 20th spot. Tom Larson on the right, a 43.623. 43.623 on a 699 light for Tom. As we are headed towards, this is A Street, second drivers out on course right now.